Do-it-yourself estate planning. Yes, you can do estate planning by yourself. There is LegalZoom. I think there's Will and Trust. There are other entities that do estate planning for you. Now, this may be a good opportunity for you to get planning in place if you don't want to spend a lot of time and money on planning. But if you do it yourself online, you don't really know what you're getting. You're not educated about different options that might be available to you in planning. You're getting the planning that they're putting out for you, and it's not necessarily covering every scenario that may help happen to your family. So yes, absolutely you can do estate planning yourself. This is maybe good for somebody to at least get something in place versus nothing. But is it really the best option? I don't know. Obviously, I'm biased. I am an estate planning attorney. What I think you need is education about different options. What I think you need is guidance from someone like me that can help your family if the worst happens, help them navigate the next steps. And you're not going to get that from do-it-yourself online estate planning. You're just going to get a set of documents without any real guidance on whether they're going to reach the outcomes that you're expecting. So if you want more tips from me, like and subscribe my YouTube channel.